Hey, what's up everybody? It's Meredith Strickwisfeld Training, and today I have an awesome knee fat workout for you. It's gonna be toning and tightening your legs, your butt, and your inner thighs to help pull up that knee fat and get rid of that cellulite. So you guys know the drill. We're gonna go through all the exercises and do a workout together. All right, here we go. So the first exercise we're doing for this knee fat workout is a narrow squat. So feet together as best as you can when doing this, because it's gonna be a limited mobility from actually the actual squat. So feet together, pull in your tailbone, roll it under, pull in that core, sit back, and as you sit up, you're really pulling under and using your butt to pull up and under. Really squeezing your legs together on the inside, because that's where you're gonna get the thighs kind of firing up. So from here, again, here, and then squeeze and come up. So make sure you're really dialing in. As soon as you come up, you're kind of getting that butt underneath, so it kind of looks weird. If you're not doing it weird, then it's not right, unfortunately, in the gym sometimes and at home. But the next exercise we're gonna do is a leg extension. So there's a couple ways we can do this. On the ground, we can do it next to the wall, but on the leg extension, if you're sitting and extending your legs, one leg bent, extension, and then out. So you're actually keeping your leg up on center, having to keep it off the ground while also maintaining that nice tall posture. Don't let that leg hit the ground. Good. So as you're doing this, really extend straight out, squeeze, and then point your toe, bring it back in. Extend straight out, point, squeeze in. So you're trying to extend your legs, straighten out, using more of your hip than your core for this. All right, so we just finished those leg extensions. Straight into the frog kicks. You can do them on your stomach or on your back. So on your stomach, you're gonna be laying flat. Your feet are gonna be put together. You're gonna be extending out. So really pressing, extending into your core and your butt as you come up in your core, and that's also gonna help you squeeze, trying to pull yourself in. Good, come back and then extend up and out. So really trying to bring your feet together while also like rolling your ankles in to get the middles of your feet together. That's really gonna fire up inside of those legs. Good, let's get one more in, really press. And then you can also do them on your back. Coach Gabby told me these. So extending from your back, and then straight up, right, like this, and then pull. And as up as you can, and then pull down. So if you can, keep your feet together as long as you can, because that's really what's firing my legs together. And it's just a difficult exercise. Good. Ready? And press as high as you can get, and then straight back down. And then bring it back in. So your frog kicks, crazy amounts of variations for those. So just try to do one of them consistently. The last exercise is going to be an air cycle. So air cycling, just like doing a bicycle, just using your legs, cycling back and forth. If you have a bench or something, you can also use a bench, or you can do oblique twists. Kind of the same thing if you bring your knees up. Good. Just think about that air cycle. You're just pumping that bike. But no one uses bike, so no air cycling for us. Just cycling in our minds. Good. So that is your quick workout. It's not very many exercises, but you need to make sure that you're slowing down and doing these correctly, especially stuff that is focused on your small muscles like calves and ankles and knees, because those are really detailed exercises. So let's get in the workout. You guys know the first thing, we're going narrow squats. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Good, last one. Good, squeeze and hold. Next exercise, leg extensions. So down on the ground, sitting, foot flat. Ready, 3, 2, 1, and go. right, everybody, round 1 down. Let's get to round 2, get some water, and we're getting started. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Good, last one. Good, squeeze and hold. Next exercise, leg extensions. So, down on the ground, sitting, foot flat. Ready, 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay guys, that was set 2. Take a breather, now set 3. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Good, last one. Good, squeeze and hold. Next exercise, leg extensions. So, down on the ground, sitting, foot flat. Ready, 3, 2, 1, and go. right, that is it. I hope you really liked this knee fat workout, really working your inner thighs, your butt, all that good stuff. So if you guys like it, love it, share it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video.